Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to take screenshot in iPhone. There are two steps by which using you can take a screenshot. So let's move to the first step. First step is a very simple step. What you have to do is to press the power button and the volume up button together at the same time. When you press both the buttons together, screenshot of your screen will be taken. So this is a very easy step by using which you can take screenshot at any moment in a few seconds. So now you can see on the screen I take a screenshot by pressing power button and volume up button together. So this is the very first step and easy step how you can take screenshot. Like the video and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. So move to the second step. So second step is also very easy, but you have to concentrate. Go to your mobile phone setting. After go to setting, press on accessibility. Here you see on the screen under the journal there is an option of accessibility. You have to touch on accessibility. After touching on accessibility, there is a new option appear. Here you can see there is a lot of option. Go down below. Here you see an option of touch on a screen. On a first stop you have to touch this. After pressing on touch, go down below. Here you can see an option back tap. You have to touch on that. Now double tap or triple tap. You have to touch on double tap. After touch on double tap, there is a setting by which you have to double tap your screen and screenshot will be taken in your mobile phone. Now go to touch on the screenshot, so it enable that whenever you double tap your phone the screenshot will be taken. So this is the second step how you can easily take screenshot by using this method. Hopefully guys you like this video, enjoy this video. Please comment below did you like this video, and thank you so much for watching the video. So let's apply the second method. Now tap on your back of your phone 2 times, on the back of your phone 2 times, double tap, and you see your screenshot will be taken. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.